Hello and welcome to Hood Canal. In this upcoming short, we're going to come over to what is known as Pleasant Harbor. I was out flying the drone, researching the seafloor, looking for lost, derelict ghost nets. These are gill nets that lay along the beach, and they collect lots of different crab and mud sharks, dogfish, and seabirds. And so that's what I'm doing, a research on where these nets exist and the damage that they do. However, when I'm coming back home after the day's work, I'm headed to Pleasant Harbor. Beautiful place. If you've never been there, you might want to take advantage of an outside shower and a swimming pool. But in front of me is a beautiful German Shepherd swimming across the channel. It's 87 degrees out, nice, warm, soft breeze, flat, glassy water as you can see, and here's this dog taking advantage of it. Be careful out on the water, everyone, and we'll end this with this dog swimming across the channel. Bye-bye.